I'll stay in tonight. Skip the conversations and the oh, I'm fine. I'm just looking for some new friends. All they ever do is let me down. Every time I let somebody in, then I find out what they're all about. I'm just looking for some real friends. Wonder where they're all hiding now. I'm just looking for some real friends. Gotta get up out of this house.
Hey beauty bunnies, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be all about this twist on a grungy look. I wanted to do a smoky eye, but I was kind of afraid of just doing a straight up black smoky eye. Maybe in my next video I'll do that, but I wanted to do a pop of color, and I think I really love how this came out. It's definitely something different. It's kind of like a spotlight eye. It was fairly easy to do. I was fairly surprised at how easy it was. The artist that I saw do a look similar to this, her name is Stacey Marie MUA on Instagram. This is what her look looked like. And you know, hers is like perfection, so I wanted to see if I can do like a simplified version, kind of dumb it down for the newbies or the ones that aren't like the best makeup artists. They can do the most dramatic look. And this is kind of what I came up with. I love how it came out. I think the blend is really nice, and I think the colors work well together. And I finally found another perfect nude lip. I did want to do a nude lip with this look because I did not want to do a color. She has a orangish reddish lip with this look, which I think is beautiful, but I ain't that bold yet. So if you want to see how I got this look, definitely keep on watching. So this is a look that we're going to be doing today. I wanted to do it off camera because I didn't want to like come on camera and not know what the hell I was doing. This is the look I tried to kind of figure out how to do. This is like, you know, it's like a grungy look with a pop in the middle. I actually really like how it came out. I'm not exactly sure what lip I'm gonna do with it. She has a like reddish orange lip. I don't know about that. But yeah, this is the look that I'm going to be doing today. I'm using a couple palettes. I'm using my MAC Rome Neutrals palette, which I feel like lately has been like my go-to palette. It's kind of like, you know, that palette for me right now. But I'm also going to be using a palette by the name of Aphrodite, which is actually the dupe for the Huda Beauty palette. This is by Bad Habit, and this is what the inside looks like. It is freezing, so I have my onesie on, so just ignore that. But I'm just going to jump right in. I already have my brows done and my lid is prepped. I used Tarte Shape Tape to prep that. I'm going to go in with a small brush. This is the e.l.f. eyeshadow crease brush. It looks like this. It's really small and defined. And I'm going to take Dance in the Dark, which is this shade out of the MAC palette, and I'm going to apply that to my inner and outer crease. So I'm not going to be winging out the black liner. I'm going to keep it right where my lashes are. And I'm just going to just tap that in, and I'm going to make kind of like a dome shape with that shade. And all I'm doing is pressing the shade in because I'm going to use something else to blend it out. I want to get as much pigment or payoff, color payoff that I can with this shade. So I want to make sure I connect them a little bit. As you can see, I do go back in and kind of like cut the crease, but I want it to be connected. Something like that. Now I'm going to be going back and forth, and I'm going to be building up that color. I'm going to take a similar brush, but it's just a tad bit bigger, and I'm going to go into the shade Jealousy, which is in the Aphrodite palette. It's this shade right here, and I'm going to use this to blend out the Dance in the Dark shade, which is the shade we just laid down. So next, I'm going to go into another shade in that palette, and it's called Lust. It's this reddish shade, and this is a e.l.f. defining eye brush, and it's actually angled. And I'm going to go in with that because I'm going to use that to blend out the shade we just put down. And we're not applying any like brow bone highlight, so that's why I'm pushing it up as far as I am. But if you are one that likes to wear brow bone highlight, then you don't have to push it up as high as I am. So it looks a little bit like that. Next, I'm going to go into my concealer because I want to cut my crease. I'm not going to do a typical cut crease. I'm going to take some Shape Tape on the back of my hand and this Sonia Keshik like pointed brush. It's not going to be a typical cut crease because usually my cut creases are like this and they go all the way across, or they go halfway. This is going to be more like a spotlight eye, so I'm going to do it right in the middle. So I'm just going to take that concealer on the back of my brush, and then I'm going to apply it right in the middle. Look up, and then wherever that landed, I'm going to take it up a little bit above that. Next, I'm going to go back into those two blending brushes, and I'm going to take the Dance in the Dark shade, and I'm going to just apply that and blend it a little bit over that concealer just to get a nice little gradient. I'm going to take the other brush that I had Jealousy on, and I'm going to just blend the top of that just a little bit. Next, I'm going to be going into a pigment. This is the Pigment Melon from MAC. I just got like a little sample because I didn't know if I was going to like it. And I'm just going to apply that right on top, all over that concealer. I'm going to just press it in. Because I have concealer, it's going to stick to that instead of having to put like a glue down. So I apply it a little bit like that. Now I did this eye a little bit different. I had added another pigment on the outsides, but we're going to ignore that because I didn't like how that came out. And then I'm going to go back in with Dance in the Dark, and I'm going to just blend over that. So that's kind of what that looks like. I'm going to take a little bit of glitter. This is the J Cat's Beauty Rockin' the Nights Sparkling Powder. It doesn't have like a name or anything, but it's just the rose gold glitter. I'm going to take this brush right here with no like extra product or anything. I'm going to go in with my Farsali drops for my face. I did this earlier, but I just like used the makeup wipe and kind of like wiped off whatever I had. So I am sold on the Farsali drop. I'm sold on the Farsali drops. I love how it makes my makeup look, how it wears. It's just perfect. I was definitely one of the people that thought like, it can't be that good. It's just oil. No, it's that good. For my primer, I'm going to be going in with the Simple Water Boost. You guys already know I do this in every video because this has been proven to work for my skin. I just put 2 drops on either side of my nose and I work it in with my fingers. And then whatever is extra, I just distribute it around my face. Next, I'm going to go in with my Fenty Beauty Primer, my good old faithful. I think I need to get some more actually. Love that stuff. I'm going to be using my Fenty foundation. This is a number 300. Of course, the Fenty Beauty Pro Filter foundation. For concealer, I'm going to go into the Born This Way concealer. I was going to use Shape Tape, but it's a little light for this foundation. So I'm going to just stick to the Born This Way. For contour, you already know, my LA Girl Pro Conceal. I am this weekend going to be going to Sephora so that I can get some new products. I want to get the Fenty Beauty concealer, and I'm going to get it in 2 shades so that I can just, you know, contour with one and highlight with the other. For powder, I'm going to go in with my Airspun, and I'm just going to take some of that. I'm going to take some of that, pat it on the back of my hand, and just set under my eyes because I don't want it to be too much powder. I'm going to take my MAC Dark Golden Mineralized Skin Finish and this angled brush, and I'm just going to press it into the skin and set down my contour. I didn't want a heavy contour because my eyes are so dark, so I kind of wanted to leave the contour to a minimum and kind of just bronze up my face a little bit. I want to go in with a tad bit of blush. I'm going to be using this ColourPop blush in New Lows, and it looks like this. It's an older blush. You guys already know this is kind of the blush I gravitate towards. Taking it on a stippling brush and just applying that lightly. I like this because it has more of a purpley tone. For glow, I'm going to take this ColourPop K-Pop Glow Up Super Shock Cheek, and I'm going to, it looks like this, just like that. I'm going to take it onto my finger and then just press it into the skin. I wanted something lighter. This can be intensified, but I wanted something lighter because the eyes are already doing so much, so I didn't want my skin to be like doing the most as well. For the lower lash line, because my eyes at the top are so dark, I'm just going to go into Jealousy with this brush right here, this angled brush that I actually used for Liz, and I'm going to apply that to my lower lash line. So I'm going to throw on some lower mascara, and then we're going to finish up the face. For lips, I am going to be going in with a combo. So this is the Espresso lip liner in the dark brown that I always wear. This is Velvet Teddy from MAC. This is I Love Sada-E in ColourPop's Ultra Gloss Lip in Curvy. To set my face, I'm going to go in with the L'Oreal Infallible Pro Spray and Set. I'm going to pick up some new setting spray as well because I do want to try out some more drugstore setting sprays and some high-end setting sprays. And this is the final look. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you guys really enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and tell a friend to tell a friend to tell a friend to come join the Beauty Bunny family because we're getting it together in 2019. I really love how this look came out. I think my skin products that I use are just meshing so well together. This makeup is going to last forever. I'm going to have to literally scrub it off my face. But I really do like how it came out. And yeah, I hope you guys like it too. Again, thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe if you're not already subscribed. And if you are subscribed, make sure you send a few friends over to subscribe as well because we're trying to grow in 2019. We just hit 100 subscribers. I know that sounds crazy. It sounds like, girl, it's just 100 subscribers. But for me, it's a lot, and I do appreciate each and every one of you guys for subscribing and joining the Beauty Bunny family and, you know, just rocking out with me. If you have not already, make sure you follow me on Instagram and on Twitter and on my Facebook page. I'll leave all the links down below in the description box, as well as all of the products, and link as many as I can find down there as well, so that it'll be easier for you guys to shop whatever I use on my skin today. But other than that, thank you so much for watching. Again, I love and appreciate each and every one of you guys, and I can't wait to continue this upload roll because I'm on a roll. Okay, I am on a roll, and I will see you guys in my next video.